Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Landingsite AI. So using a Landingsite AI to create a stunning website is a breeze, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide to help you get started. So watch the very end to understand the video. So let's get started. So to use the landing site, you have to sign up. So if you don't already have an account, sign up on the Landingsite AI website. Then after that, provide the name of your business or website or subject along with a brief description of what you offer. The AI will generate the website copy and image tailored to your business. And after that, you can choose a template. So select one of the beautiful mobile-friendly templates designed to catch the eye and built with the SEO in mind. Then after that, customize your website. To do that, use the intuitive editor toolbar and the AI editor to make effortless edit to your website. You can also add content, image, and make changes to suit your preference. And after that, you can simply publish and launch your website. And that's a simple way on how to use Landingsite AI. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.